Your auntie got big on.
And we good jump back in that video. Then we over here, we got key Glock. Greatest. They go ahead and get to a young nigga let go.
She better not.
She looking peeving like she up five.
Like, she did fuck people that shit. Stand with the window down. She wants about herself, man.
Just stand for greatness. Married to money, told her that I'm taking. Throw the gang better yet with a name. And bitch, I'm that nigga, it ain't on the bag. So yeah, I might bulletproof the Mercedes. I'm playing with this paper. I'm ballin' like cover, these niggas can't hold me. I might put up 81. Everybody know me, it's MOB. Until I'm 81. Yeah, bitch, I'm that nigga, I made one. Like diamonds on the Jacob, break the shit up like A.
That bitch is fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't fucking
take some. You're smoking on Zot, no fake. Where I'm from, you don't got it in take some. I'm smoking on Zot, no dip. I bring that money up, no elevator or no steps. I got a bad bitch, yeah. I can do bad by myself. Yeah. Let us, you know what I real. Could throw frat 10, we still. Could throw Golden State, I'm still. Better yet, I'm still Curry. Please out that nigga, yes sir. Run up on me, double dirt. Hard cold as a polar bear.
Yeah.
Hotter than a hard
And then the way he riding,
that
nigga never fed me on no beat.
Bitch, I'm on a whole nother level.
On the beat side, that bitch don't know feel.
I'm in a whole nother lane. Got rich shit start to change. Got rich shit went left. And before you
I remember that nigga had a little haircut. Now he got goddamn braids in his head.
That's what I smell.
He on bullshit. My nigga got jail curls, all type of shit.
you find out Glock, you put the sticks in your head.
Shit, can't put shit there with jail curls. He on bullshit.
Damn motherfucker.
I don't even think I seen him with a goddamn little tilt.
Me neither, bro. That one.
Like a little tilt.
He went from straight low haircut to braids.
Let's don't remember that shit.
So,
I fuck that bitch though.
but nah, he did go.
But you know he used to wear hats and shit a lot too now.
Yeah, I was finna say he did go a long time without social
Driving shit and shit. Yeah. I fuck that bitch. Mine though.
I like that Detroit beat.
Why you keep looking at your motherfucker? Auntie hoe.
man.
Your auntie probably said
Oh no, man.
The fuck? Hey, that's it for video. See how fuck in the video.
Oh no, they probably looking at the